to Malegaon, very strange case, where you said in your book that you have been forced to sign documents to fabricate the narrative of saffron terror. That's the first time you actually admitted something like that. Now, the Malegaon blast witnesses also told the NIA court that they've been forced by the Maharashtra ATS to falsely name Yogi Adityanath and several other RSS leaders in this thing. This happened in September 2008, if I'm not mistaken.
Right.
The blast was carried out by Indian Mujahideen and Ahle Hadith, according to preliminary reports. But soon, Abhinav Bharat came out of nowhere. What's the truth, Mr. Mani?
Let me put certain things in perspective. It's all calendar of events. I will give you two set of calendar of events. First is 29th September 2008. Malegaon blast occurs in the evening. It is a normal criminal case. First responder is police. Local police respond, SP Rural in Nasik district. He would have responded. Thereafter, to assess the evidence and to come to a preliminary conclusion that it is a terror attack, he would have taken some time and protected the evidences and reported to his higher authorities, and the case would have been assigned to ATS, and this takes a bureaucratic work of around 2 to 3 days. 29th September, the 30th September, the core work starts. 2nd October, nobody works in the government. And you have later on, we have this Dashera holidays also falling. I'll come all to that. So, not before the 4th or 5th, the case could have been assigned to ATS as per the simple working procedure of the government. They cannot simply say, ATS, you go and take over, there is some motorcycle blast. So, but later on what happens? Next the calendar of event is, in the Mumbai blast 2006 July serial train blast, it took them 6 to 7 months to identify the entire investigation process. ATS took 6 to 7 months to identify, collect evidence, and later on arrest the perpetrators. So, Mohammed Bilal or whatever it is. In Malegaon 2008, it is very clearly 6 days it is handed over to ATS, and within 15 days they arrest Sadhvi Pragya. In 20 days they arrest Lieutenant Colonel Purohit, and Lieutenant Colonel Purohit, even under section 45 of CRPC, to arrest a sitting army officer, you require certain prior sanctions, and that would have meant this file, even if it was to be given by the GOC Western Command, let us assume, I am not talking of GOC Delhi area, and the local regional command chief, the file would have travelled 21 desks, all of them supposed to apply their minds, examine the evidences, and they say they did it in 21 days. It is simply not possible, because immediately on the 5th or 6th or 7th or whatever day the ATS was assigned the work, they would not have. So, my premonition is that a design was already there, a template was already there, that a terror attack would be conducted, whether through Ahle Hadith or Indian Mujahideen or whatever organization or local people, and thereafter the thing will be blamed on the Hindus by this type of a template. That is what I have been saying, number one. You talked about Abhinav Bharat. Now, I will give you the timelines of Abhinav Bharat. 1903 it was created, 1953 or so, somewhere around there it was disbanded. In 2005 it is given life again.
Who did it?
See, it's headquartered in Maharashtra. The Charity Commission of Maharashtra or the political leadership in Maharashtra should have given it. Certainly Abhinav Bharat with a Congress or a Congress NCP coalition government in Maharashtra, even if all the papers were okay, they would not have given it. Had they given it, even if they given it, the charity commissioner or the registrar of society, it brings to question, the next question is, who approved it ultimately? So that is the reason I always say even the revival of Abhinav Bharat seems to be engineered to meet the, see, for creating a narrative you create an instrument.
I remember there was a huge amount of money, I'm not really sure of the exact amount, maybe around 70 to 80 lakhs, that was deposited by somebody in the account, the bank account of Abhinav Bharat. It was obviously deliberately done so that they could be framed in it.
Exactly. There are adequate reports that from where the money has come, a detailed investigation can certainly reveal.
I was told, I'm not really sure, Mr. Mani, but that a senior union minister was involved in this transaction during the Congress era, was involved in this transaction. I don't have the complete detail, but I'm just doing a bit of speculation to see whether that is actually true.
There is a possibility. We cannot rule out the possibility because the entire idea was to create a monster, give it the name of the monster, and give it the tag of Hindu monster, give a religion to the monster, and for all these things you require these type of resources, and they were all flowing from the government funds. We do not know public funds. A minister would not have done it from his own pocket. So this begs a question, it could have certainly happened.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, 10 మందికి షేర్ చేయండి. అలాగే కామెంట్ల రూపంలో మీ అభిప్రాయాలను మాతో పంచుకోండి. నేషనలిస్ట్ హబ్ గ్రూప్ ఆఫ్ ఛానల్స్ ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకుని తెలుగునాట జాతీయవాద జర్నలిజాన్ని ప్రోత్సహించండి. ఈ వీడియో కింద ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ పై క్లిక్ చేయడం మర్చిపోవద్దు.